Hi, I'm Tatiana and I'm a volunteer worshiper here at Kitty Charm School. I'm here with Max. What do you think? What do you think? You want to be pet? Thank you for the kisses. Oh, you're such a cutie pie. Max. You need some kisses for the camera. Oh, somebody walking past. Oh, aren't you just a cutie? Okay. All right, Max. Say bye. Max, say bye. Bye.